Oh, I'm back. Okay, so we are back. This is part 2. I open up the SD card and I open up the cap here and I put the SD card in here, and then what I'm going to do is get the battery here. The battery looks brand new, like the plastic isn't ripped or anything. I don't know if it's fully charged or not. So trying to figure out how to open this. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we open it like this. 3.7 volts, 800 mAh. It's not a lot, but it should do the trick. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in here. I don't know which side, but probably this side. What is this? Oh, there's a switch right there. Okay, so I push it in, and now it turns on. Okay, so let's see. It says here, format. I guess it means format the SD card or something. Okay, so what now? What do I do now? What's that do? Okay, I should probably take this off. Okay, take that off. Oh, it's tied onto here. It's impressive. So you can try recording Ultra HD 2.7K. Here it is. It's recording. Boom, 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 boom. This is everything that I just opened. Boom. Okay. Let's play around with this for a little bit. Menu. Let me see that. Okay, so let's see. Camera. Resolution. 3 meters. Okay, what did I just click on? It's kind of slow to respawn. It's a bit slow. What's this? Beauty phase. I don't need that. How do I go back? Okay, so up, down. Oh, this goes up, this goes down. Let's see these buttons. Up, down. Up, down. Okay. Shooting. Single. Continuous. What the hell? Single. Okay, so go back to menu. Okay, this is the menu right here. The button menu. 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 And then, okay, so up, down, left, right. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. I just want to set it up to be like 2.7K. Movie size. There we go. That's what we need. Movie size. Movie size. So, movie size 2.7K. Movie size 2.7K right here. There we go. Alright, let me go get something to record. Okay, there's a cat right there. Okay. There's a cat right there. Alright, let's record this cat. I'm a cat, look at me, I'm a cat. I'm a cat, look at me, I'm a cat. Alright, I'll play that later. See how the quality is on the computer later when I upload it, and I'll give you a review on that. Okay, so let's see here. Let's put it back. I don't know how this works. It's a hood right here. I don't know how you put that on. 2, 3, 4. I don't think I need the hood. It's probably just for like the sun. But if you're curious, I'll put it on right now. Okay, so here I have this one. Okay, I think you screw it in like this. Ah, there we go. Just screw this in. You screw that in, and then this part, I don't know what this is for. Was I supposed to put that in there too? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god. What is this? Okay. What? W. Oh. Maybe they both go in. Maybe that goes in first, and then this goes in after. Okay, so this goes in here. Like that. And then this goes in here like this. And then this goes, where did this go in? Oh, okay. Yeah, I got it in. I got it in. So I don't know what this does. It's just a hood. It looks cool, but I don't know. It looks cool, but I don't know about that. Open it up. Alright, now let's try recording with the hood on. Okay. Oh, format. Every time I turn on the cam, it says format. Why does it do that? Card error. What? What? Card error. I just turn it off and turn it back on and it says card error. How sad. How sad is that? Card error. Just turn it off and turn it on and it says card error. Let me try another card on there. It says memory full too. What the heck? That is weird. Maybe that's why they returned this. I have a 128GB card in here. I'm gonna go figure out what the error is. I'll be right back. To be continued.